Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the video call problem in your device OnePlus 9RT. Before starting, if you're new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 9RT you are having issue related to the video call, you are unable to do video call or you are having problem related to video call, you can solve this by the method as I'm showing in my this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve video call problem in your device. Let's watch it.